Welcome to the Doug and Nikki testing studio, where today I have a really fun, or what I believe to be really fun, till I get it out and up in the air, new Holystone HS420 mini drone to test. I will tell you in advance, this drone was supplied to me to play with and give you my review, but I have absolutely no rules. I can tell you it sucks, as I have in the past, or I will tell you it's amazing. Either way, what we're going to do in this video is first I'm going to show you the play. Then I'm going to come back, I'm going to give you my Doug score from 1 to 5 so you know how much I liked or maybe didn't like it as much as I thought. And then we will unbox it, go through all the features, attributes of it, details that you might want to know, and then you can make a decision what you want to do. All right, let's take it outside and play. Okay, there's only one score this thing can get, and that is a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. It is easy to use, it is a ball to fly, and it even records this video as a first party view. It is so cool, you'll enjoy this one. Okay, we've played, you've seen the review, but now let's unbox it, talk about the features and attributes so that you know what you're looking at if you're interested in it. So, this is a mini drone. It has 4 fully ducted fans so that you don't have to worry about messing up the walls and having your wife or mom yell at you that you've messed up the walls if you're going to fly it inside. It's also safe for hands and that kind of stuff as a result. It is a FPV drone, which means first party view. If you have it hooked up to your phone, you will get an image straight out of the camera, which is an HD 720p quality image. It's not stabilized or anything like that, but that's pretty nice high quality image for a mini drone like this. Comes with instructions. Always read the instructions. I'm telling you, they're a little bit different on every little drone, and it makes a huge difference on how much fun you have when you're playing. The less struggling you have to do, the more fun you have, so just take a little time to read that. Let's see what comes in the kit. Oh my gosh, is this thing adorable. Check out this little drone. Hold on a second, I want to put my fingers on the camera and mar it up. Look at that, that is so cool. I am so excited to play with this. It comes with 3 fully enclosed batteries. I'll pop one out here so I can show you what they look like. These are the batteries. They're good for about a 10 to 15 minute fly time, something like that. We have a remote control. Let me show you that. Here is the remote control. This is where your phone would go for the FPV. 3 AA batteries, which I'm sounding like a broken record, but I think they should give you at least 3 junky batteries so you can instantly throw it up in the air. The control is pretty simple. It has on, off. You can toggle between photography and a video. It does stunts, so it does 360 flips, it does fast 360s, it does a circle around stunt, so you can control that with that button. It has a altitude hold built into it, and it also has a higher low speed depending upon your comfort level with the drone. Finally, comes with a couple spare parts as well as chargers. Let me just check something because I may have a little beef here also. Let's see what we got. Okay. Doug World, just like the batteries, don't give me 2 chargers for 3 batteries. I mean, I understand the concept is they're assuming you're flying one, the other 2 are charging, but I just think, how much can this cost the company? 10 cents? Like, give us 3 of them. Anyway, not a big deal at all. Comes with one complete set of replacement blades in case you have an issue, a screwdriver, and tools so you can repair it if that is a problem. I hope this was helpful, and we will see you next time.